Hey you guys, I am actually sitting out front um, on the porch, but I have some bad strawberries I'm going to toss out to the deer. So I'm going to do that, but I thought I would share a quick grocery haul with y'all. So I went to Aldi, Lidl, Ollie's, Dollar Tree, and Food Lion. Picked up a little bit everywhere today. So I thought I'd share that with you all, but I'm going to toss these strawberries out. Hopefully the deer will find them. And I'll meet you guys back inside in the kitchen in just a second. All right, so I am back in my kitchen and I was totally not planning to do a grocery haul this week because my pantry is pretty well stocked. So I didn't think I'd be picking up much, but here we are. So let me show you what I got. So I did swing into Ollie's for something else that they didn't end up having, but I picked up these Nature Valley protein bars and these chocolate chip soft baked muffin bars. I've not seen those before. They both were $1.59 a box. And I did need some onion powder, so I just grabbed some there for $1.49. And then we love the Bud's Best brand of cookies. And I think sometimes Dollar Tree carries these, but I wasn't sure if we've ever had the chocolate chip variety, so I picked one of those up. They were 99¢. And then I swung in to Dollar Tree, again looking for something else, but I happened to see these super coffees, and I've tried the caramel before, but never tried the mocha. So I picked up 4 of those to try at $1.25. I figured why not? And then I went into Aldi, and they had some of their bakery cookies clearanced for $2 off. So I think it made them around $1.50 a pack. So I picked up the chocolate peanut butter and the regular peanut butter. And then they also had parchment paper clearanced to $1.25 a box. Why? I'm not sure, seeing as it's practically baking season at this point, or at least close to it. So I'm not sure why they had these on clearance, but I picked up 2 boxes. I got some Munster cheese and some pico, some baby bellas. I have a couple recipes I want to make, and I just love mushrooms. Also picked up a pack of bacon and just 1 bag of salad mix, as I think we all are kind of saladed out. So I just picked up one so that it doesn't go bad. We can always run back and get some more if we need to. And then I picked up some cheese crisps, and I picked up 4 bags of these vanilla wafers. I'm pretty sure I've shown these before in another haul, and I absolutely love them. And they were clearanced out to like $1.29 a bag. So I picked up all that they had left. They're really good. I like to eat them with some keto vanilla pudding or make a little cheesecake dip. They are really, really good. I might have to go hunt another Aldi down to see if I could find more. Got some Roma tomatoes, and I'm just going to toss these in the bowl. Got some extra fine green beans. Haven't had these in a while. We've been eating a lot of canned green beans, so I decided to pick some of these up and pop them in the oven with some chicken for dinner this week. We got some light corn syrup. I use this a lot to make special K-bars, which if you don't know what that is, I do have a short, so I'll share the link to that short below. Picked up some garlic in the jar. I've been out for a while now. Just been using garlic powder, so I finally picked some up. They had the family size packs of ground beef out. Again, I think it makes it $4.50 a pound. My son wanted some what we call juicy mac and cheese, so I got him some of that and a gallon of milk. Got 3 dozen eggs. And I've been craving a peanut butter and jelly, and I have not bought keto bread in a long time. So I figured why not treat myself. So I picked up a loaf of that. So that's everything I got at Aldi. And we came in just under $67. So then I swung into Food Lion just to pick up some chicken bouillon base. That's all I needed. So I picked up the Ann's variety, and that was $6.99. And then I realized once I was there that I was out of sausage, so I also picked that up. And then the green giant veggies were all on sale for $1 a box. So all in all, we spent around $17 at Food Lion. And then I swung over to Lidl to get a few things. So I got 8 containers of yogurt. They were on sale for 39 cents. And then Lidl is one of the few places that still carry Minute Maid orange juice, so I went ahead and picked up a jug there. Got some oven roasted turkey breasts for sandwiches. I needed some almonds for a few different recipes, so I picked them up there. Mini cucumbers. And then I got 3 bars of white cheddar cheese. I was like, let me get one of each. So I picked up 3 of those, and then I saw these spicy salami bites, and I love salami to snack on, and these were on sale for $3.99 a pack, so that was a really good price. So I picked one of those up. And then I saw this smoked white cheddar cheese. I've never seen a smoked one at Lidl before, so I picked that up to try. Picked up some broccoli florets to make some broccoli cheddar cheese soup, which I will also link that recipe down below. And then I picked up some strawberries that were on sale for $1.99. And that is everything I got at Lidl. And at Lidl, we spent just under $40. So that is everything we picked up for the week. So I hope you guys have a great week ahead. And like always, I will see you in the next one. Bye.